going on, everybody? Arty84 Wicked Explorers here. Like I said, the baby's coming. When you're watching this, the baby's already been arrived. So, but we are resting. I'm talking into the future because I'm recording this before the baby's born. But I'm predicting we are resting, and we are taking some time to relax a little bit before we start some new videos and go on some new adventures. But we wanted to continue putting content out there for you guys. So we're going into the archives of some old pictures and putting together some slideshows and adding to our scribble map, basically, so we can kind of, go back for the last, 20 years before me and Sue were doing these videos, when I was just doing the videos, and, put something together for you guys to use as a reference and kind of see what's there now and compare it to some of our newer videos, which we go to some of these places that we went to in the past. And some things that are still there, some things aren't there anymore. It's been pretty funny. I've been struggling to find some locations and stuff of places that we went to a while ago. Just not there anymore. But it is pretty cool. But today it is a balmy 28 degrees. It was like 14 degrees this morning when we woke up with the dogs. 19 when I got in the car. So this one kind of highlights Florida. 2007 I went twice. I went in January and I went in August. In January was a kind of a New Year's trip afterwards. It was nice and warm down there. In August, very hot, but we a bunch of us went, and we went to the Tampa Bay Devil Rays at the time game, and we checked out that stadium. And then Busch Gardens, Universal Studios, Key West, Miami, Tampa, Fort Myers. A lot of locations in this video, so we'll be tagging the hotels we stayed at once we can remember which ones, locations we went to, and stuff like that, so we can keep a documentation. So if anyone down the road was like, hey, did anyone ever stay at this hotel? We'll be like, yeah, we did. How was it? From what I remember, it was all right. So hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you in a few minutes. Bye. All right, everybody. It's still 29 degrees out. Actually, it dropped. It's 28 degrees right now. Thank you for watching the videos. I hope you guys enjoyed them. And of course, if you enjoy watching these and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button for us. Little button down there on the top right. It's red. Subscribe. And if you really like it, hit the little alarm button. So every time we post a new video, which is basically once or twice a week, you guys get an alert. And it's pretty cool because then you can just click on it and you're good to go. So thank you guys for watching. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. See you guys later. Bye. The Wicked Explorers of Arty 84 and Suzi J is brought to you by thepacky.com. Check out thepacky.com. All right.